Well, today we're going to be descaling the Breville espresso machine. We got the clean light on, it's not blinking, it's solid, meaning we should be descaling it. It came with this package right here. We're going to get it all set up. We're going to dissolve this in 1 liter of water and put it in the tank and fill the tank up. There we go, we got our 1 liter of water. Empty the package in there. Dissolve it nicely. Pour it into the water tank. We did take the filter out for this process. Well, we have to press the 2-cup button and the power button and hold it, which should get it into the descaling mode. There you go. It's all set up. We'll have to wait until the lights come on. We'll start the descaling of the coffee component. Let's see what happens here. Do it a second time. Then we do the hot water and the steam. We'll do the hot water. Well, after we've gone through all these steps once, we're going to continue going through the coffee cycle, the water and steam, until the water's gone in our basket, and then we'll rinse that out, put fresh water in, and we'll start the rinse process. Well, there you go. Now that we have rinsed the tank out and refilled it, we're going to follow these steps all over again, and we're going to rinse it nice and clean. We'll do the water. Then we'll do the steam, making sure we don't get any of that descaling compound in our coffee. We're going to continue to do these steps until the tank is empty. Well, there you have it. The tank's all nicely filled up with fresh water, clean water. We'll turn the cycle off. And we'll turn her back on. We're going to have ourselves an espresso. We're going to be trying out Flatlanders Coffee Roasters.